and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am so tiny. I am 4'10" and on a good day I am 4'11", but you guys don't need to know that. That's a little too much information. But anyways, today's video is actually going to be a recreation on this look. I will have the picture of the girl right over here. Go follow her on her Instagram. She's really talented. I had to recreate this look. I don't know why, I just fell in love with it, so I'm like, why not? But anyways, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then make sure to keep on watching.